Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM cards into the Xiaomi 13T. So in order to do that, first of all, let's locate our SIM card slot. It's right here at the bottom of the screen near the charging slot. Alright, grab your SIM ejecting tool. Now find a hole in the SIM slot right here. Enter your SIM ejecting tool, give it a little of push, alright, and take out your SIM tray, just like this. Now grab your SIM cards. I only have one, so I'll just do it with one, but it works exactly the same with the two SIM cards. So find your name, SIM1, SIM2, alright. Enter your SIM card here. Make sure that it holds tightly into your SIM tray, alright. The contact should be facing up. So now grab your SIM tray, grab your phone, and slowly enter the SIM tray into the SIM slot. Now, as you see, our phone has requested the PIN card, so it means it's already detected it. Let's enter it. Alright. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.